Hi everyone, and welcome to Zone 3 and Thriving Garden here in Canada. I'm Jacqueline, and today, this morning, I'm sharing with you a garden tour of what it's like here in Saskatchewan, Canada in December when it's minus 17 Celsius, people. Yep, it's cold, but it has been worse. And this is nothing compared to some of the temperatures we can get, which is like minus 40 Celsius with a wind, could be in the minus 50s. But hey, let's enjoy this warm weather because it's almost ready to put on shorts. I'm just kidding though. But some people do wear shorts in this weather in Canada. It's nuts, and yeah, I am not that person. So let's begin this tour and check out what is shaking in the garden, or lack of better words, what is dormant now and how things are looking for winter beauty. So along the edge here, we do have my creeping phlox, and everything's bedded down in snow here. I did put some hostas in here in the late fall that had gotten on sale, and they're buried in here too, but this area needs a total revamp. And I started this by removing stuff, and this whole bed in here is got hydrangeas in it and irises, and the irises are going to move to the back, and I'm going to add more hydrangeas, and I'm going to go with more shrubbery in here and color. So a few things are going to be moved around, but everything's dormant, and we do have some colors in here. I did leave the coneflowers for the birds, and then you can see all the Annabelles along the fence here that are all dormant. I did cut them back, but some stuff I just didn't get cut down, with coneflowers being number one on that list. And you can see them all here, the sedums, like everything's, the 9-barks, everything has turned a dark color. And you can see even the peonies I didn't get cut back. I'll do them first thing in spring, so you'll see those videos in the spring. Here we have lamb's ear, and I really like lamb's ear in the winter. I think it's quite beautiful in this form. More hydrangeas in here. Phlox, we have phlox here. You can see what it's looking like in its dormant state. Look at the sedums, how dark they are. And I mean, if you look around here on the tree line, I mean, everything's a gray or a silvery blue tone in the garden right now. Our little Alberta spruces are so cute. They have grown. Look at that. Is that not a Christmas picture right there? Heliopsis. Like, I really didn't get stuff cut down. Look at that peony right there. That's only 2 seasons for that. And it should be beautiful this year coming up. More 9-barks. Another Alberta spruce. Irises. I never even got this is the variegated clematis. I never even got that cut down. Talk about pathetic, hey? And we have all our potentillas. I did give them a haircut, and I did do that video. And the barberries are in here, and things are just looking crisp. Even the ladybugs look cold to me, to be honest. I mean, they look chilly. All right, we're in the backyard now. I thought I'd just go through and share a few things with you. I'm definitely going to have a lot of cleanup in the spring, but you can see that last prune of the snowball bush will hold until spring. Once the vigorous growth starts, then we'll have to prune it again. Over here, I did not take anything in. I did not cut back any of the perennials. I didn't even deadhead the hydrangeas. And looking at how flimsy those are, I don't think it's going to be a problem. And I actually had to stop after I filmed the front yard and warm up because it is really blowing out here. It is just gross, and the mics just weren't going to take it. Over here, you can see the heucheras are nice and snowed in, giving them some insulation. Same with the roses, everything looking good there. And then over here we have a crazy tall mess of Heliopsis over here. There's hydrangeas in here, and there's yarrow. Oh, and there's even the odd honeysuckle still. You can see it up there. Same with over here. Let's go over the cottage garden now, and I'll show you how that's doing. Here's that new bed I put in. It's all covered in snow. There's not much to see. And over here by the deck, you can see everything is snowed in. I did move a few plants around after I did those 2 videos and that, but they're all covered too. Very wintry now. It's really blowing in here good, and it's darn cold. My hands are freezing. I put the bench right there and the second bench there. I will have to adjust them in the spring. You can see the roses got decent height on them, the climbing roses. So I just left them. And then the cottage garden is basically put to sleep. You can see here, it's just winter wonderland out here, and very, very cold. And I don't know if you can see the snow coming down in the video, but it is coming down. You can see there, it's blustery and cold, and my mics do not like it. So that is what the garden is looking like right now. And if the snow keeps coming down, there's going to be a lot of stuff that was newly planted covered over. Like my little global cedars, which are so darn cute. So that's it for this video. It's darn cold out here. This is Sunday morning, December 7th. So this is coming to you just before I post it. I'm going to post it right away and you'll see this video. So I hope you enjoy our beautiful winter weather and staying cold. I'm going in to warm up my hands because I cannot run the camera with mitts. Bye everybody.